Top 12 Ketogenic, High-Fat Foods. Are you new to this ketogenic diet? Or maybe you've been doing it for a few months now, and you're wondering, what exactly is considered ketogenic, and which foods you can eat, and what foods you need to stay away from. We did a video on the basics of the ketogenic diet, but today we want to go over a list of foods that are considered high-fat foods. Here are our 12 high-fat foods for ketogenic diet. Let us have a look. Avocados. Avocados are a staple in the ketogenic diet due to their high-fat content. They're an important part of any ketogenic meal plan. Here are some tasty recipes that use avocados. Keto avocado shake. This shake actually tastes more like melted chocolate. It's super simple to make and uses just 4 ingredients: chocolate ice cream, heavy whipping cream, butter, and avocado. Next is Keto avocado chocolate mousse. This mousse is a good dessert option if you're craving something sweet. It uses 3 main ingredients: avocado, coconut cream, and cocoa. Next on our list, we'll talk about wild-caught fish. Fishes are high in protein, healthy fats, essential vitamins, and minerals. Here are some ketogenic fishes to try. Salmon fish is a great source of protein and essential fatty acids that helps to improve brain function. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, such as B12, niacin, thiamine, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Tuna fish, it contains high-quality protein, as well as omega-3s. It's also full of niacin, selenium, and magnesium, all great for the heart. Mackerel fish is full of omega-3s as well as vitamin A, thiamine, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. Mackerel also has a good amount of phosphorus and manganese, along with smaller amounts of other minerals like copper, iron, magnesium, niacin, and selenium. Fishes contains omega-3 fatty acids and other beneficial compounds like vitamin D, calcium, potassium, iodine, and iron. Omega-3s have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. In our top 12 list, next is grass-fed organic meat. Grass-fed organic meat is a staple in ketogenic diet. While many people focus on the high-fat aspect, it's the high protein that makes grass-fed meat so beneficial for keto dieters. Next on our list, we have organic eggs. Organic free-range eggs are worth on their weight in gold when it comes to the high-fat ketogenic diet. Studies show that eggs increase ketones in the blood, provide long-lasting energy, and help you feel satiated for hours. In our top list 12 next is raw cheeses. Do you want to know how raw cheeses helps you in ketogenic diet? There are many benefits of eating raw cheeses, helping you in ketogenic diet, and it also helps you in weight loss, increase energy levels, prevents heart diseases, prevents cancer. Next, let's discuss about nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich in monounsaturated, polyunsaturated fats, and low in carbohydrates. These are all great for the ketogenic diet. Nuts and seeds can be eaten raw, ground into flours, or soaked to make milk. Here are a few nuts and seeds varieties, which is commonly used are almonds, macadamia nuts, Brazil nuts. Next on our list we have nut butters and tahini. Nut butters are full of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids that have been shown to reduce inflammation. They also contain heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids that lower cholesterol and triglycerides, while increasing good HDL cholesterol. And tahini, sesame seed paste, made from ground sesame seeds. Tahini is a source of healthy fat, B vitamins, calcium, and irons. Next on list, we continue with ghee and grass-fed butter. Ghee is a type of clarified butter that has all of the milk solids removed from it. Ghee can handle higher heats without getting burnt, and has a higher smoke point than butter or coconut oil, which makes it ideal for high-heat cooking, such as frying or roasting. Grass-fed butter is also known as unsalted butter, and it is made from cows that feed predominantly on grass. This results in a higher concentration of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, like beta-carotene. Next, olives. Olives contain high amounts of both monounsaturated fat and oleic acid. The highest amount of both are found in the black olives. These are great for a ketogenic diet, because they have virtually no carbs and lots of fat. As a 10th, high-fat content on this list is coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most popular food used in ketogenic diets. In fact, it's often called the world's healthiest oil. If you're going to use coconut oil for weight loss, be aware that there are different types and grades of coconut oil. Be sure to get a good quality, pure product that has not been hydrogenated or refined in any way. Next on the row, we listed dark chocolates. Dark chocolate also contains cocoa, which is also rich in healthy fats. Next time when you're craving of some chocolate, try a bar of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, to support your keto diet and reap its many health benefits. Last but not least, this list ends with benefits of healthy oils. Healthy oils also contribute to overall health and wellness. These nutrients serve as great additions to the diet on their own merit, but they can also help you get the most out of your ketogenic process by supporting and protecting your body's own natural ability to burn fat instead of carbohydrates.